Hi, my name is Jennifer Miller. I am founder, author, and illustrator of Confident Parents, Confident Kids. And I have so enjoyed using 52 Essential Conversations and some of the other card decks that Dr. Wu has produced with my family and as a professional. And I am especially thrilled with the ones that she has just released, 52 Essential Social Skills, 52 Essential Social Dilemmas, and 52 Social Situations, because they focus on social skills. Our children always need to be practicing and working on social skills, but the pandemic in the past few years has created more isolation and less opportunity for our children and our teens to practice these essential social skills. So this gives families a way, a fun way to rehearse those social skills at home. We played last night as a family 52 Essential Social Dilemmas. I have a 14-year-old and he is new to his school and struggling with building friendships. He's very nervous about making sure he's growing new friendships. And it became very obvious as we took on some of the questions, like peer pressure, making awkward decisions, that he was very unsure about how he might handle friendship situations. So it was awesome for our family to discuss it. And it also set our social emotional agenda for this school year. We know what we can support and encourage in our family life with our son to build his confidence. I will say for educators, if you use a morning meeting or an advisory, these are ideal. A closing circle, anytime you want to talk about relationships. It is so important as educators that we are creating a safe, caring classroom community and a safe, caring school environment. These can support you in that mission. So I highly recommend, check them out. Thank you, Dr. Wu, for putting these awesome resources into the world.